This is Alicia Mercanti, Publishing Systems Support Specialist at Cochrane. Today I'll be showing you how to create a unit and add a unit lead in Cochrane RevMan Portfolio pages. Log in with your Organization Administrator role to access the Organization Administration page. Select Add Unit, enter the name of the unit, and click Add Unit. A success notification pop-up window will appear, and you can decide whether to go directly to the unit portfolio by clicking on Go to Unit Portfolio page, or go back to the Organization Administration page by clicking OK, got it. To add a unit lead, go to the Organization Administration page and find the unit in the list. Click on the corresponding 3 vertical dots on the right and select Add Unit Lead. From the invite pop-up screen, you can select invite by email if the person has already an existing role in your organization. Add their name and their email address. Then click Send Invitation. The person will receive an invitation email to log in. If instead they have already a role in your organization, select Add Known User. You can search by name or email address, then click Add Known User. If you're looking for further information from the knowledge base or need to report a problem, you can do so by clicking on the question mark icon in the top bar. Thank you for watching this demo.